Hello, I'm Rafiah from Hyderabad and I'm an assistant professor by profession. I teach all computer science subjects like Java programming, web technologies, information security, operating systems, computer networks and many more. I have B.Tech and M.Tech in computer science and engineering and I am pursuing Ph.D. in area of computer vision. I am NET qualified assistant professor and also cleared state level eligibility test. I have 12 years of teaching experience. Till date, I have taught thousands of students who are placed in MNCs such as Infosys, Wipro, Google, HCL, etc. Many of my students are pursuing higher education abroad. I have been teaching online for the last 1 year and have students from different states and from overseas. I make sure that the class is interactive and responsive. You can be assured to find the class interesting. I use digital media for a lot of learning new developments in the field of my teaching. I attend webinars and seminars, interact with other teachers and professionals from across the world. Sulekha's eLearn gives you wonderful opportunity to learn subjects with the most advanced means and from experts like me. It's easy and very flexible to make learning really helpful and would be perfect for all your exams, keeping your syllabus in mind.